What's going on, everyone? I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Serge. Welcome to the channel. To all my reoccurring viewers, thank you so much for all the love and support that each and every single one of you have shown me. And if you have not yet, make sure to go check out LegionAssistedLivingAcademy.com, where you can go and purchase the course and any mentorship or consulting that I have to offer. Also, if you have not yet, make sure to go check out ValleyALFVentures.com if you are an investor or limited partner looking to invest into this niche, or if you are an operator looking to potentially lease properties such as this one right here. Make sure to go check us out there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and actually give you guys a full tour of this property and what it has to offer, and then the layout, because it is very unique, and we were able to get this property already converted, and it had all the work already completed. So I'm gonna go ahead, show you guys the property, and we'll go from there. This property consists of 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and right here is the common area space for all the residents. This is where they're gonna actually be hanging out. And this property will actually be licensed for 10 residents. And right here is actually gonna lead into the master bedroom, which I will show you guys shortly. But this actually leads into this open concept here, which is the kitchen for this property. And beautiful thing is, it was actually built out to have these 2 fridges that we actually ended up having to place into this property just simply because it didn't come with it. The rest of the property we actually ended up furnishing, our tenant did, and it's a beautiful space here. And we're gonna actually head into the master bedroom, show you all what that looks like, and then what the bathroom in there also looks like. Now, as we walk into the master bedroom, we have the bathroom here to my left, and it is right off the entrance there. We also have the master closet right here. And the beautiful thing about this master bedroom is that it actually ends up having its own patio access, which I think is actually really unique and something that residents will actually be willing to pay a lot of money for, surprisingly. So that is something that this bedroom has to offer at this property. Now follow me to see the other bedrooms and bathrooms in this property. And we were going to walk through back in the living room here, where all the residents would be hanging out in the common area space. And this side of the house has the additional 5 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and the laundry room here. So let me show you guys that. Now we have 3 bedrooms on this side, including the laundry right here, which actually is a stackable washer and dryer. And then as we head back this way, we have the other 2 bedrooms. And one thing you'll notice is we have these cabinets here in this hallway, which will be used for linens. And another thing is, all the doorways are actually 36 inches on this property, which is really nice when it comes to wheelchairs and walkers, and any handicapped individuals will be able to utilize these bedrooms and get through with ease. Now, we have 2 bedrooms on this side of the house of this little separate wing here with its own bathroom. These 2 bedrooms would share this bathroom. And the nice thing is, we actually did all new LVP to each of the bedrooms, which turned out really nice, and it's something we like to do to all of our properties. Now, this property actually came to us off market from a relationship we had already in this industry, and it was a property that had sober living clients in it prior with the previous ownership. And so when we were contacted about it and told about it, it happened to be in an area that we actually really liked here in Peoria, Arizona. And so we went under contract March 8th of this year. And there were a couple hurdles with this deal when we went under contract once we tried to line up financing for it. And one of the main things was we tried to do a DSCR type of loan for this property. And we got into about 3 weeks of underwriting and being under contract. And next thing you know, we were told that it wouldn't qualify for that loan simply because it was gonna be an assisted living facility that we were gonna be leasing it out to. And so with that, they came back, said they are not allowed to do it. And so we had to pivot to a commercial lender, and we ended up having to do a quicker closing because of it. And so we ended up reaching out to multiple commercial lenders that we had worked with in the past. And the reason why we wanted to go DSCR versus commercial was because it actually had longer terms versus a commercial loan. And so many of you are always asking me, what type of financing should you be seeking when it comes to either purchasing one of the existing places like this, or if you are looking to potentially fund your own assisted living renovation or even ground up development. And typically you're going to have to go commercial because most residential lenders or DSCR lenders will not touch anything that has to do with some type of service like this being provided out of the property. And so with that being said, we went under contract for $480,000. And when the appraisal came in, just from a residential standpoint, it actually came in $30,000 higher than what we were under contract for. And so we were happy about that. And it actually helped us with the commercial lenders to be able to secure a quicker closing. And one thing we really liked about this property was it was outfitted already with a sprinkler system, and the city of Peoria does not require for a fire panel to actually be installed in the property. And so that did save us a lot of money and time as well, not having to put in a fire panel. But the city of Peoria does have its requirements when it comes to doing a change of ownership for the C of O, which is also known as the certificate of occupancy. And so we had to wait until we closed, and then when the assessor site actually updated, to be able to even put in the application to do the change of ownership for the certificate of occupancy. And so that took about an additional 2 to 3 weeks on top of when we closed. And so what our operator ended up doing was going through the whole house, cleaning it, setting it all up, putting all the things in the bedrooms, and also submitting the application with licensing to be able to go ahead and submit the certificate of occupancy once we received it. And at the time of this filming, we actually ended up getting our fire and building inspection scheduled to be able to finally get that certificate of occupancy. And so we are finally on the tail end to have our operator be able to finally get licensed, and we are excited. They are excited. This will be another location for them, and this will just be another opportunity and property added to our portfolio. And so with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed the full tour video. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at legionassistedlivingacademy@gmail.com. And also feel free to go check out valleyalventures.com. And with that being said, I will talk to you all in the next one. God bless.